Your kitchen scale is lying to you. And number 3 on this list? It almost got me banned. Here are the 5 best kitchen scales of 2026. Stick around for the shocking winner. All links below. Number 1. Escali Primo Digital Scale. The Escali scale was one of the most accurate of those we tested, maintaining a steady, exact read no matter where an object was placed on the surface. The design is simple with just 2 buttons, on/tear off and G/Oz, and a circular platform that can hold small to large containers. Made of hard plastic, it is durable and sturdy, leaving no worry of cracking or scratching while using or cleaning. This scale was also easily cleaned by hand with a wet towel without leaving prints, grease, or spots behind. Another bonus feature? In testing we found the auto shut-off lasts for a full 4 minutes without use, so feel free to go in the fridge and grab some more ingredients without worrying that your reading will be lost as you walk away. The Escali Primo Digital Scale is a dependable tool that is appropriate for the professional to the home cook. This scale is also used in the Food Network test kitchens. Number 2. Greater Goods Compact Digital Kitchen Scale. The Greater Goods scale had one of the smallest profiles of the 10 scales we tested but was equally as accurate as some of our top picks. Measuring just 3/8 of an inch thick, 1/2 an inch with feet, and just over 9 inches in length, it could fit in any size kitchen. Despite its small size, it can still weigh up to 11 pounds like most of the larger scales we tested. It measured accurately each time, was stable, easy to clean and easy to operate. As a company, Greater Goods places importance on responsible manufacturing and also contributes some of their profits to charities. Number 3. OXO Good Grips 11-pound Stainless Steel Scale. One of the drawbacks of most digital scales is visibility. If you are measuring in a large bowl or plate, it may eclipse the screen, preventing you from seeing the weight clearly. The OXO Good Grips scale has a pull-out display which solves this problem. The display is connected with a flexible cord which allows you to pull away and maneuver the screen so you can see it clearly away from the measuring vessel. This scale had the longest auto shut-off time of 30 minutes, it switches to standby mode and retains memory after 6 minutes. Although one of the larger and heavier of the scales we tested, if you are working with larger scale recipes in need of larger measuring vessels, this scale would be the one for you. Number 4. Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale. Something that's often overlooked when weighing your ingredients or liquids, which many scales don't have capabilities for. That won't be a problem with the Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale. With a ml and FLOS unit measurement available, you can accurately read how much milk or water you have before adding it to your recipe. Made with stainless steel, this was one of the smallest scales we tested. Its slim and compact shape are perfect for people with limited countertop and storage space, while the illuminated numbers make reading your measurements easy. Number 5. OXO's 11 pounds Stainless Steel Food Scale with Pull-Out Display. This scale proved highly accurate during tests with various weights, all the way down to 1 single gram. It also was both simple to use and easy to clean. Plus, the pull-out display lights up and is ideal when using a large bowl that would otherwise cover the weight reading. The scale also has a sturdy build that gives the impression it'll stand the test of time, as OXO kitchen tools often do. There are 4 weight units to choose from: pounds, ounces, grams and kilograms, and the stainless steel base is removable, making it easy to deep clean. It also offers a tare function that'll cancel out the weight of the bowl you're using to weigh your ingredients, ensuring an accurate read every time. That's number 1, the scale that kills all others. Links in description. Like, share, and subscribe for more 2026 gear secrets. And seriously, go check number 3 before it's gone.